Hello student, today we will discuss about global system for mobile. Myself Professor P.T. Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor Sri Tulja College of Engineering Tuljapur, Maharashtra State. In our college there are various schemes for tuition fees concession for meritorious student. For first year engineering admission, the CET percentile score is greater than 60, 100% concession, 50.1 to 60, 75% concession, 40.1 to 50, 50% concession, 30 to 40, 25% fees concession. For direct second year admission after diploma, marks is more than 85%, 100% fees concession, 75 to 84, 75% fees concession, 70 to 74, 50% fees concession. Interested student, please contact on this phone number for admission. What is the GSM? Global System for Mobile is a second generation cellular system standard developed in Europe. It uses the digital modulation such as GMSK and network level architecture and services. GSM history. GSM is the name of the standardization group established in 1982 to create a common European mobile telephone standard. It is originally developed by ETSI, European Technical Standard Institute in Europe, to solve problems in first generation network and named as a global system for mobile communication in 1989. Full of specification phase first became available in 1990 in European market. In second phase of GSM specification occurs in 1995. Several non-European countries adopted GSM. Presently, GSM supports more than 210 countries throughout the world. Let us start GSM system architecture. GSM system architecture consists of three main subsystems. The first is a base station subsystem. The second is a network and switching subsystem. The third is the operation and maintenance support system. The base station subsystem consists of many base transceivers and base station controller which connect mobile station to the network switching subsystem via MSC. Base station forward the signal to NSS. It consists of MSC and three different databases associated with the MSC, that is home location register, visitor location register, authentication center, gateway mobile service center GMSC. Operation and maintenance support subsystems support the operation and maintenance of GSM. The NSS allows the MSC to communicate with other networks such as public switching telephone network PSTN and ISDN, integrated service digital network. Mobile station. Mobile station is made up of two parts. The first one is mobile equipment and subscriber identity mobile. Mobile equipment in GSM are physical mobile handset which may be vehicle mounted station, portable station, handheld station used by the subscriber to access the GSM network. Voice and data transmission is possible with mobile equipment. Mobile equipment continuously monitor power and signal quality of surrounding cell. The power level of mobile equipment will be rise from 0.8 watt to 20 watt, and it consists of 160 character long SMS can be sent by the subscriber with the mobile equipment. Subscriber identity module. Without subscriber identity module mobile equipment is useless. SIM is plugged into mobile terminal. It is a microprocessor based entity implemented on a smart card, contains the international mobile subscriber identity. SIM allows the user to send and receive call to other services. SIM is protected by password or PIN. SIM can be moved from one mobile to other mobile. SIM is provided by the mobile service provider like BSNL, Jio, Idea, Vodafone, etc. Base station subsystem consists of two parts: base transceiver station, base station controller. Both these parts are interfaced by a BIS interface. Base transceiver station consists of an antenna equipment responsible for transmitting and receiving of radio signal. BTS contains the transcoder rate adapter unit. It performs encoding and decoding of speech and rate adaptation function of the data. BTS communicate with mobile station and BSC. Base station controller. It is a high quality switch. It controls typically 100 of BTS. BSC assign frequency and time slot for all mobile stations in its area. BSC handles call setup and handover between two BTS which are under control of the same BSC. It communicates with MSC and BTS. Network switching subsystem. It contains different functional units: mobile switching center, home location register, visitor location register, authentication center, equipment identity register. Mobile switching center acts as a heart of the network. Mobile switching center manages communication between GSM and other public network such as PSDN and ISDN. Mobile switching center handles billing information and collection. Mobile switching center monitors the mobility management such as update the location registration procedure, carry out handover functions, the call routing and control functions. Home location register. It is a database which contains subscriber information and location information for each user who reside the same MSC. It stores international mobile subscriber identity IMSI and mobile station international subscriber directory number MSISDN are used in call routing between MSC and particular mobile station. Visitor location register. Visitor location register works in association with home location register and authentication center. Authentication center handles the authentication keys for every single subscriber in the home location register and visitor location register. It protects network operation from fraud. Next is the equipment identity register. Equipment identity register identifies faulty mobile stations. It keeps a track of all the valid and invalid mobile equipment in the area. It prevents call from stolen, unauthorized and defective mobile devices. Operation maintenance support subsystem. It supports the operation and maintenance of GSM. It allows system engineer to monitor, troubleshoot all aspects of the GSM system. It has three main functions: maintain all telecommunication hardware and network operation, The second is manage all charging and billing procedure. The third is manages all mobile equipment in the system. Thank you for watching.